Love truly is a strong thing, right? Like in love, when you see someone actually trying to work on themselves, it's very attractive.
It's so attractive.
When you were talking, I was thinking about like, this is not something that just happens overnight for these people to get to this spot, right?
Right.
They gave up on each other a long time ago. The good news is when you realize the fact that you're done digging, you can start building. And I tell the men this all the time.
I love
when
that.
are you going to
Absolutely.
be done fucking digging? Stop digging and start building. Some
Stop
people
digging.
just need to like stop being so excited and just enthralled with the darkness, right?
So many people find so much comfort in that like disgusting pit of loneliness, and they're just like, oh, this is where I'm at. And it's like, just stop digging, put down the freaking shovel, right? Mm-hmm. Start building, make the choice today, right now. I'm going to start doing better for me. Yep. If you truly are choosing to make it work, stop digging, start going all in for yourself first. Start putting in the work, start going to the gym, start speaking positive things, into your partner. And guess what? I guarantee you, if he notices that, or if she notices that, it's going to be a 180 in your relationship.
It's not if, it's when, right?
It's not if, it's when, 100%. Yeah.
And people, what I've learned about people, men or women, is that they'll get so close to getting what they want, and then they stop, right? And then they feel like it's hard and they fail, like, because it gets difficult. The closer you get to the goal that you want, it gets a little bit harder.
Sure.
It gets a little more uncomfortable,
yep.
right? You start having to ask tougher questions, do different things, take different actions.
Start having to look at yourself a little differently.
And it's in everything. It's yourself, it's your relationship, it's your business, it's your friendships, it's your kids. It's just, you're looking at your life and you're like, damn, do I really want this?
Right.
And the question is to the people, or not the question is, like, the truth is, like, do you really want this?
That should honestly be the first question that they ask themselves before they even try to, like.
But it's not.
For the person, like in a sexless or loveless, I guess, is this what you want?
I don't think it is. I think what it is they're looking to repair something that they have no clue how to repair, and they want to get back to what they had or what they always wanted at that point. So they're looking to erase the pain.
Sure.
Without doing anything about the pain.
Yeah.
So somehow in their minds, at least
just
from
ignoring
a dude,
it, right?
Right.
Yeah.
I can just ignore this, but how do I get back here if I don't do any work?
Doesn't work that way. Yeah.
Right.